Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change background color of footer section in Shopify. For example, you can see that I'm on my Shopify store right now, and this footer section is white. I'll be showing you how to change the background color for this section only. To get started, you'll need to go on your admin page on Shopify. Once on the admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Online Store. After selecting Online Store, you will be redirected to the Themes page. Once on the Themes page, you're going to scroll down, and beside the theme that you're using, you're going to tap on the three dots. Then you're going to select Edit Code. After selecting Edit Code, you will be redirected to this page. And I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option once more. And you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Assets. That's the second to last folder in the bottom left-hand corner. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select base.css. Depending on the theme that you're using, you may not see base.css, you may see theme.css. If you see that, you can also select it. After you have done that, you're going to scroll to the bottom of the page, all the way to the bottom of the page. Then on the last line, you're going to select the last line. And if you don't see a blank line, you can simply tap right behind the bracket, then select Enter. And on the blank line right there, you're going to select it. And you're going to paste the code that I will be leaving a link to in the description. So you're going to simply copy and paste this code. So let's do that real quick. So I'm going to paste the code right here. Then I'm going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on Save and the changes have been saved, you are going to simply refresh the page. So let me refresh the page real quick. And you can see that the background color has now changed to blue, as you can see right here. So the background color has now changed for the footer section. And if I should go into catalog, for example, you can still see that the background color is different compared to the rest of the page. And if you want it to be another color otherwise from blue, you can choose another color. All you'll need to do is tap right where you see blue in the coding. And for example, if I were to type in, let's say yellow, I could type in yellow right there, then tap on Enter. Then I'm going to select Save once more. After I've saved it, if I were to go back and then refresh the page again, let me refresh the page, then scroll down, you can now see that the background color is yellow. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.